Hey everybody, it's Bear. Chilling out at a local park this morning, relaxing a little bit, enjoying the fountain. And I went by the Dollar Tree yesterday and I picked up some trail snacks, some other odd and ends I needed. But I thought I'd show you what kind of trail snacks I found at the Dollar Tree. There's quite a bit. Well, for one, they have these different flavor packets for your water. Now I like root beer, and I'm not so sure about root beer that's not carbonated, but I'm gonna give them a shot and see what they taste like. We'll see. They have shortbread cookies. You get 4 packs, so that's $1/4 for each snack. They've got some honey sesame sticks. They say there's 3.5 servings in here. I don't know, I'd probably split that into, I don't know, 2 servings. Break it down into little smaller, little Ziploc snack bags. They've got peanut butter filled pretzels. Let's see. They say there's 4 servings in there at 150 calories, so I'd probably split that again into 2 servings. We've got hickory smoked almonds. Again, this is a couple servings in this bag, so we can break that down. Check out these nut clusters. Peanut, pumpkin, and blueberry. Probably a good couple servings in there, so it's 50 cents a snack. Y'all like Despicable Me? What about those Minions? We got a 6-pack of the Honey Graham snacks. So what, that's 17 cents a snack. And last but not least, we've got some sweet and spicy barbecue pork jerky. That's probably about 1 serving for $1. You know what I'm missing? It's in my bag at the house. I got an 8-pack of the oatmeal cream pies, Mrs. Freshley's. And, you know, so that's what, 12.5 cents a snack. So went looking for stuff that wasn't going to melt on the trail, so I avoided chocolate. They've got all kinds of other stuff in big bags that you can break down to the little Ziploc bags, little snack bags. I do that a lot when I'm packing for a backpacking trip. I just thought I'd show you what kind of things I found out there. We'll see you on the trail.